Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you decided to stop by. Today I am participating in another challenge for Christmas, and this is the Look for Less challenge for Christmas, hosted by Yummy from the Latina Next Door and Jessica from Measure and Mix. And I will leave the links to their channels below in the description box, and please go make sure to check out their channels. They're wonderful. Jessica is an amazing DIY specialist, I like to call her. She does some amazing things. I honestly don't know how the girl comes up with some of these things. And Yummy is new to me, but I love her channel. She does all kinds of different things, and I think you'll really enjoy. So be sure to check out those ladies below. I'll leave their links, as well as the link to the playlist for this challenge. Now for this challenge, Yummy selects a co-host each month, and it's called the Look for Less challenge. And you find something that you love, but you don't want to pay that kind of money. And you try to recreate it for less money. And for this Christmas one, I went searching for something on Pier 1 Imports. I love that store, but sometimes it can be a little pricey. And I found something that really caught my eye, so I decided to use that as my inspiration. So as you can see, what I chose was these two faux fur covered presents with some ribbon and some greenery on top. And for, what is it, $60? No way, I'm not going to pay that kind of money for that. And really it's just boxes covered in some sort of material with ribbons. So I decided to use that as my inspiration, and I'm going to show you how I did that now. So here are the items that you're going to need to make these faux fur wrapped boxes. Boxes of your choice, any size will do. I had these two lying around the house that were empty. Some hot glue, some wire, some scissors, some wire cutters, of course some sort of faux fur or blanket, a ribbon of your choice. I found this ribbon and fell in love with it, and I found it at Walmart for $4.98. I thought it was gorgeous. Some greenery picks, and I had these and I got them at the dollar store. And then for the pom-poms on the boxes, I picked up these snowballs from the dollar store. So again, another $1. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them because they might be a little big for these boxes, but I have them on hand if I want them. So far my total cost is around $7 for this project. There is a hem on this blanket which makes it quite bulky to try and glue to the box, so I will be cutting this off once I get the right length of material cut. Now it's just a matter of making sure I'm using the correct side on the outside of the box, the part I want people to see, and then it's simply just wrapping it like a gift and making sure I don't have too much material, because this was kind of bulky to use. And I'm simply going to hot glue the material to the box. And may I say, people, I haven't done this for a while, but I burnt my fingers on the hot glue. I burnt one finger very badly. I still have the blister on it. So that's why you'll see me later on using a pair of scissors to kind of hold down the pieces of material that I'm gluing to the boxes. There you have it. The box is covered, and you can see me picking up the box gingerly with my fingers because the glue was still hot. So here it is, all finished. It's looking pretty cool. So now it's the fun part. Now I'm going to start adding the ribbon and the greenery to the top of the box. Now for the bow on top of the boxes, I didn't do anything really fancy for the bow. I just took the ribbon and made loops on each side, just over top of one another actually, and then added wire in the middle. And then once it was twisted all together, I just separated out all the different loops to give me my little bow. Nothing fancy. I'm just going to wire everything to the top of the box. I decided not to hot glue it in case I ever wanted to remove these ribbons and greenery and use it somewhere else. And here you go. Here are the finished boxes. I think they are so cute. And I placed them in my dining room on my buffet. What do you think? And of course, the vignette would not be complete without my owl. So here you go. Here's my finished faux fur wrapped presents with ribbon and a little bit of green on the top. And I've just placed them here on my buffet in my dining room, and I'm loving the way they look. Are they exact replicas? No, but that's what's fun about this challenge, this Look for Less challenge, is that you take an inspiration and you make it to match your decor, your style. So yes, my ribbons are completely different from my inspiration, but it works in my home and it's what I love. And that's what's so fun about this. You don't have to replicate it perfectly. Make it your own. Put your own little twist on it, your own little style on it, and you will love it. So thank you, Yami. Thank you, Jessica, for hosting this great challenge. This was my first time in this Look for Less challenge, and I hope in 2019 to participate in many more. This was a really great one to participate in, and I feel like I've learned a lot, and I can't wait to see what other people do. It's so fun to see what others do with their inspiration. It's fun to see what they choose to style after and how they choose to style it to fit their home. I love seeing that from people, and it gives me a great source of inspiration. So I hope you'll check out the playlist that I'll link below for this challenge. I'm sure there's going to be some really great ideas. So thank you once again, Jessica and Yami. This was a great challenge. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and you'll think about subscribing before you exit on out, and giving this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and even sharing it with family and friends that you think might enjoy learning how to take an inspiration piece and make it their own. I'd really love that. So until next time, guys, I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye, you guys.